Àkíyèsí, àkíyèsí, àkíyèsí. Let's lose sight of the ah. Let's talk about kíyèsí. The word kọ, kọ, which means to turn. So that's why you could say kọjú sí mi. That means to turn to me, right? So to turn is kọ, kọ, right? The word iye or iye, iye, or òye, òye, then plus sí. So kọ iye or òye sí. Then the word call with, to turn, to make this detour. Kọjú sí mi, right? Then iye is life, right? It's coming from the word ye, which means to exist, to be. That's why Christian says Jesu ye, Jesus lives, right? So to live is ye. So iye is the act of living, right? Iye. Oye is understanding. Oye is understanding. Is coming from the word ye, which means to understand, right? So sí is two. So when you then say kọ iye sí, which means to turn your existence to something, to turn your being to something, right? Or kọ òye sí, which means to turn your understanding to something or to someone, right? So kọ iye sí or kọ òye sí, which means to notice something, to observe something, to pay attention to something. That is kọ. So when two vowels follow each other in Yoruba, one of them is not needed, especially the one with the first consonant. So when you say kọ òye sí àbí kọ iye sí, it means this and this, one has to go, this one will go. So it will be ki, then ye, mi do, then si. So that's when you get the word kíyèsí. So when you want to make anything a noun in Yoruba, noun formation, you use the vowel sound a, e, I, o, or u. So when you say àkíyèsí, is to notice, to examine, to pay attention to put focus on. So that means kíyèsí. So this is the noun àkíyèsí, or some people say ìkíyèsí, the act of paying attention to something, the act of putting all your existence to something, right? And the verb is kíyèsí. Kíyèsí, that means turn your attention to me. So see, pay attention to me. Kíyèsí mi. That means turn your understanding to me. Turn your existence, whatever you're doing, put it on me. Right? Kíyèsí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Right? See, move. Then to do the verb also can be to do this. So you can ṣe àkíyèsí. Ṣe do mi. You can ṣe àkíyèsí. This is I, right? You can ṣe àkíyèsí. So you can then say, which can give you ṣàkí, ṣàkíyèsí, do mi, ṣàkíyèsí. Mo ṣàkíyèsí pé, right? To notice that. So to notice that is ṣàkíyèsí pé. Mo ṣàkíyèsí pé o wá lánàá. I noticed you didn't come to yesterday. All right. Kí lo kíyèsí? What did you notice? What did you observe? Right. So it's the act of observing, the act of paying attention to something. Anything that regards that you require, it requires that an attention should be shifted to something, like call, turn, call to something or someone is àkíyèsí. No matter the English that comes with it, all the synonyms is àkíyèsí or ṣàkíyèsí or kíyèsí. Right. So do you notice what I did? Ṣé o ṣàkíyèsí nǹkan tí mo ṣe? Right. See, I'll take notice of it. Muma shakiyesi. Right. Right. So I want to use it in 5 sentences. Form 5 sentences with 5 sentences with akiyesi, she akiyesi, shakiyesi, or just the verb kiyesi. Let me see what you have. Do it now. Like boom. Eh 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 eh.
eayoruba.com